All right, so as a designer of outdoor spaces, we get this question all the time: deck or raised patio? This is the perfect example of when you want to do a raised patio. With the deck, the elevation was way too high. It was breaking up the space. We wanted a nice flow down to this lower level, so we went with the raised patio, and I'm going to show you guys why. On the lower tier, we had this gorgeous covered lounge space. Everything covered by the louvered roof. They got heaters to keep warm all winter, fans to keep cool all summer. We did this elegant recessed panel PVC wall. We got the TV in the center, sconces on either side. They have plenty of room to fit a sofa, lounge chairs, and even these stools. And wait till you check out what we got up top. On the upper tier, we did more of a dining space. They got plenty of room for a large table, as well as the steps right off the door so they can bring food in and out easily. To carry the look of the feature wall throughout the project, we added this recessed paneling all the way around the house. We really tie everything together. And just wait till you see this space at night. We did low voltage lighting, every step, around the border. It really comes to life as soon as it gets dark. I know we're deck remodelers, but we know when it's the perfect time to use a raised patio. And for this project, it really made everything flow right down to that pool patio, really made everyone feel like they were at the same party. If you guys enjoyed these design tips, be sure to watch our other videos, and I'll see you on the next one.